So, my name is Sarah Picaro. I have trained as a rapid transformational therapist. I've also done some other hypnosis training and am in Scott's 100K coaching program. Absolutely loved it. Completely changed my life and my daughter's life. I attended his master class and I'm speechless. I don't know what he's calling it, so I won't call it anything, but absolutely mind-blowing, and it makes me want to throw away everything that I've done as far as hypnosis training. Not throw it away, but amplify it, perfect it, dial it down. Like Scott uses the term, trim off all the fat, all the fluff, and do what I've always wanted to do and what my clients are paying me to do, get them really, really fast and effective results and solutions to not having their problem anymore. My biggest aha moment. The coolest thing being a hypnotherapist is sometimes I will put clients into hypnosis and go, I hope it worked. And I know that with the method that Scott taught us, we're no longer guessing or hoping, we're knowing and we're testing and we're really, really, really pushing the envelope. We're pushing our clients. That's what they want from us. But we're pushing them towards the solution and not hoping that they just go out there on their own and just find it somewhere. So I'm so excited to use the method that Scott taught us with all of my clients, because I have felt and they have felt that this is actually what they're looking for, what they past clients have already come to me for, and what they're paying us for. But now it takes the guessing out of all of it for both me and the client, and it just puts the knowing in place, knowing that you're free from your problem, because I'm not sitting there trying to fix it for you. I'm allowing you to do what you need to do to fix it for you, and I'm not you, so I can't tell you how to do it. I'm just allowing you to do it and untying the knots and removing the things that are in your way that are trying to that were preventing you from being able to do it for you in the first place. So, hallelujah. Thank you, Scott. Absolutely mind-blowing.